Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the question answers of Bajat Ka Jadoo chapter. First of all, we will see the Maukik questions and its answers. Our first question is Ram Prasad kahan kaam karta tha? So here we have to write the workplace of Ram Prasad. Answer is Ram Prasad factory में काम करता था. So he works in a factory. Now let's see the second one. मूंगफली वाला क्या कहकर मूंगफली बेचता था? So in between the sale he is saying something. What was that? मूंगफली वाला कहता है मूंगफली ले लो मूंगफली गरम गरम और तासी भुनी मूंगफली. So in between the sale he is just saying loudly that buy groundnuts. It is hot, fresh and fried. Okay, so let's see the third one. Our third question is राम प्रसाद अपने बेटे को आगे क्यों नहीं पढ़ा पा रहा था? So what is the reason? Why can't he educate his kid? राम प्रसाद की आमदनी कम थी इसलिए वह अपने बेटे को आगे नहीं पढ़ा पा रहा था. So the reason is his आमदनी या फिर तनख्वाह means salary. His salary was very low. So that's why he was unable to educate his kid. Now let's see the last मौखिक question. मूंगफली वाले ने राम प्रसाद को कैसे समझाया? So how did he made understand Ram Prasad? मूंगफली वाले ने 2-4 मूंगफली रोज बचाई, उन्हें बड़े से लिफाफे में इकट्ठा किया. जब लिफाफा भर गया तो राम प्रसाद को दी. फिर समझाया कि थोड़ी थोड़ी बचत करके वह अपने बेटे को आगे पढ़ा सकता है. So what did that groundnut seller do? He just picked 2-3 nuts from his packet every day, from Ram Prasad packet every day, and he just collected it in a big cover, big envelope, and when it was full he just gave it to Ram Prasad. And after giving that he told him that like this he can educate his kid by saving. So from his everyday's expense he can save 2-3 rupee every day. Likewise he can educate his kid. So we have one more मौखिक question. That one you can do yourself. That is a general question. With your pocket money what will you do? So that is a question for you. You can write its answer whatever you wish. Now let's see the लिखित question answers. This is our first लिखित question. राम प्रसाद उदास क्यों था? Why Ram Prasad was sad? राम प्रसाद का बेटा पढ़ने में होशियार था और वह आगे पढ़ना चाहता था. राम प्रसाद तनख्वाह कम होने के कारण उसे पढ़ा नहीं सकता था, इसलिए वह उदास था. सो राम प्रसाद का जो बेटा है वह पढ़ने में होशियार था, मीन्स ही वॉज इंटेलिजेंट इन स्टडीज एंड ही विश टू स्टडी मोर, बट Ram Prasad's salary was very low. So that's why he is not able to educate him. So that's why he was sad. Now let's see the second one. This is our second question. मूंगफली वाले ने राम प्रसाद को बधाई क्यों दी? Why did that groundnut seller congratulate Ram Prasad? What was the reason for that? मूंगफली वाले ने राम प्रसाद को उसके बेटे के कक्षा में प्रथम आने पर बधाई दी. So the groundnut seller congratulated Ram Prasad because his son got first position in his class. Let's see the third one. This is the third one. मूंगफली वाले ने राम प्रसाद को क्या समझाया? So groundnut seller tried to understand something to Ram Prasad. What was that? What did he try to understand Ram Prasad? मूंगफली वाले ने राम प्रसाद को समझाया कि रोज के खर्चों से थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा बचाकर वह अपने बेटे को पढ़ा सकता है. So from his daily expense, if he saves something, he can educate his kid. That is what the groundnut seller tried to understand Ram Prasad. Now let's see the last likhit question. Our last question is, अंत में राम प्रसाद क्यों मुस्कुरा रहा था? So at last Ram Prasad was smiling. Why he was smiling at last? अंत में राम प्रसाद को अपनी समस्या का हल मिल गया था, इसलिए वह मुस्कुरा रहा था. So at last Ram Prasad got the solution for his problem. That's why he was smiling. Okay, so we have completed our question answers, Maukik and Likhit. So you can write all these question answers to your notebook. Hope you all understand this one.